The AC is easy to fix. What? Yeah, all you gotta do is... Hey, if you own one of these, you probably have a whole host of issues, maintenance-wise and just other things, entire systems. But if you want to know a little bit more about your HVAC system, this is the video for you. I'll show you how to read fault codes and basically the steps to fix what's wrong with it.
Hold down the AC and recirc buttons at the same time, and then with the left temperature control knob, go 1 detent clockwise. And then you will see some codes showing up. 53, 54, 55, 56. Now, if 00 shows up, then you have no faults. If nothing shows up, then you need to replace that display. In order to understand what those codes mean, you have to go to this website, and I'll put the link in the description box below. But you can see all the various faults. They're input faults or system faults. What do they mean? What does door travel too small or too large mean? In order to understand that, we have to look at a couple of components: a door actuator as well as blend doors. You'll see there's some crusty foam on that one. The HVAC box or assembly is located underneath the front dashboard. So you'll notice in this diagram that fresh air comes in from the right side into the HVAC assembly, and then it'll go all the way out to the left where it comes out the vents. Now, when the blue arrow shows the fresh air coming into the system, you'll see a red line. That red line is a blend door, and it's actually operated on the corner where the door actuator actually moves that blend door closed or open. The recirc door, if it's closed, is going to allow the system to recirculate that same air in the cabin. As you go further left, you'll see the AC evaporator that's in blue, and then you'll see the heater core that's in red. And then you'll see a blend door, another red line, and then you see that yellow thing, that's a door actuator, and it moves that blend door either up or down, so you either get more AC air or more heat air. In this diagram, you'll see that the red blend door is closed on top of the heater core. So that means you're getting maximum AC because it's not allowing the heater core air to pass through. Now, when you want max heat, the blend door will then close, shutting off the air from passing through the AC evaporator, which gives you cold air. So in this diagram, it shows that you're only getting maximum heat. In this last diagram, you'll see that the recirculating door over there on the right is actually closed, and the blend door is halfway open. So you're getting medium temperature air passing through and recirculating throughout the HVAC system, and no fresh air is coming into the system.
In my particular case, I already know what the problem is. The door actuators are a problem. So there are plenty of videos on YouTube that I will link in the description box so you don't have to search for it. These are some of the ones that I've used before. This is not the only WJ I've done this to, unfortunately. So I guess the good side is when you do it once, the second time's faster. The third time's even faster. The fourth time's even faster. First time I did it, it took me about 2 days because I was being very meticulous. It took me about a day to get everything out and then replace what I needed to replace, and then I just installed it the next day. I'll go ahead and make sure to put those video links in the description box below on how to remove the dash, the center console, lower your steering wheel, all those kind of good things, and removing the tons and tons and tons of fasteners to get that dash out so you can get to the HVAC assembly. It is a job. It is a job. I'm not going to lie to you. So anyway, hope this was instructional and helpful. And until next time, you have a good one.